Morning, my name is Oja Suparasha, 20BC1588. I'll today be speaking about hashing with my PPT. Now, in my PPT, the main points to talk about would be introduction, advantages, hash function, hash table, collision resolution technique, separate chaining, linear chaining, quadratic probing, and double hashing. Introduction. Used to identify. Now, what is hashing? It is used to identify a specific object from a group of objects. For example, if you have a list of 20,000 numbers and you have given a number to search in that list, you will scan each number in the list until you find a match. In hashing, we assign a value to a key. This can be done using a simple array to store value. If the key is small, as an index. But if the keys are large, they cannot be directly used in the instant and should use hashing. Large keys are converted into small keys using hash functions. The values are then stored in a hash table. The idea of hashing is to distribute entries uniformly in an array. Each element has a key and that you can access it by in the hash function. Hashing is done in mainly two major steps. Element is converted to an integer and then used as an index to store original element of the hash table, and the stored element can be quickly retrieved using the hashed key. Some advantages of hashing are it is fast. The more the number of entries, the more obvious it becomes, especially when the max number of entry is no constant, so the array can be allocated in advance. Hash function definition. Function that can be used to map a data from arbitrary to fixed size. The value returned by these functions are called hash code, hash value, or simply hash. Optimal hashing. Three major requirements: easy to compute, less collision, and uniform distribution. Definition. Hash table. It is the data structure. It contains key value pair and which are computed in an array where the element will be searched. The average time required will be the order of 1. Collision resolution technique. In this case, the hx1 is equal to the hx2, where x1 and x2 are two different keys. This is called a collision, which has to be resolved. The main technique for collision resolution will be separate chaining, linear probing, quadratic probing, and double hashing. Separate chaining or open hashing, most commonly used resolution technique. It is usually implemented using a linked list. In separate chaining, each element of hash is a linked list. To insert element, it must be inserted to a specific linked list. If there is any collision, then store both the elements in the same linked list. Linear probing. All the entries are stored in the array itself. When there is a new entry, then the array is examined. If the slot in the array is empty, then the entry is inserted. This happens until the entry finds an unoccupied slot. This is called open addressing. The location of an item is not determined by its hash value. Linear probing is when the interval between the successive probes is fixed, usually to 1. Quadratic probing. It is similar to linear probing, with only difference being the successive probe. If the slot in the array is empty, then the entry is inserted. This happens until the entry finds an unoccupied slot. This is called open addressing. But in this case, the interval between the slot adding the polynomial value of the original hashed index. This is again similar to linear probing. Double hashing. This is again similar to linear probing with the difference in the interval between the successive probe. If the slot in the array is empty, then the entry is inserted. This happens until the entry finds an unoccupied slot. This is called open addressing. But here an interval between probes are computed using two hash functions. Thank you.